you guys didn't know I am this. Things is my mom's name. I mean, that's my phone. Is my mom's name. So, so I'll open it. Why not? Let me get this little shop. Maybe this way. And I give it. Ooh, some good chocolate. It's we do this good. Shout out to my papa. Just for the Neatos or cocktail. Because I don't know any Neatos. I don't know any Neatos. I swear. No, no Neatos. Like, no. Like, no Neatos. Like, what? So, um, I know it's crazy, but so it's just I spit out. That was not good. Come back for part three because in my shop, two customers, my cousin, forgot to put back the squishies and toys out of part three is gonna be gone. I'm gonna be telling my parents and today's video. Give this video